Hi guys, welcome back. Let me apologize in advance, like there's construction going on, so I don't know if you guys can actually hear me properly. I've just been recovering from a mental breakdown, if I'm being honest. Like my mental health was just going downhill for the longest time, the last few days. I think it's because like I'm such an introvert, so I was just doing a lot of outdoor activities. I was just pushing myself to do things that are out of my comfort zone, which is good, but then it ended up backfiring. I was just drinking a lot. I was just doing a lot of stuff that, you know, I was not taking care of my health. I was not eating right. I was just drinking and going. And so I'm trying the best that I can to like recover today. So I've already done my walk, my daily walk. I try the best that I can to not stress myself out. I do not have like a goal where I need to reach a certain goal every single day for me to feel like I am active. I just do what I can for the day. You know, I just do what I can. If I have 20 minutes in my day and I just feel like going outside and going for a walk or working out, that's what I do. So I don't have like a routine or a schedule where I'm like every single day I have to work out for an hour or else I'll feel like a failure. It's been so hard to stay motivated for me. I don't know why. I don't know. I feel like I've had so many distractions and it's just not taking care of my mental health and not prioritizing self-care. I usually have like a routine and rituals that I do every single day, and it's just been hard sticking to that in the last few weeks. I don't know why. So yeah, I'm trying the best that I can to get back to that right now, and obviously getting back and doing like a Sunday reset, right? I know you guys usually like maybe watch a vlog when a YouTuber is doing like a Sunday reset. It's usually very chill, like it's self-care, it's very calm, and that's the main point of going back to your routine and taking care of your mental health. You do not need to be productive. You do not need to be doing something big for you to feel like, okay, I have my life back, you know. You get back on track as slow as possible and pace yourself. Actually watching Love is Blind season 1. So unlike other people, I know so many people were just obsessed with the show, but for me, I watched season 3. That's the first season that I watched. And currently there's like, I think 2 episodes like after the altar for season 3 that I knew. And I'm still continuing watching that, but then the show ended, like the season ended, so I had to like go back. So I went back to season 1 and I realized that season 1 is not as good as season 3. I don't know, maybe it's because my brain is so used to those characters and those personalities that I got attached to them. But then usually shows like the first season is better than the other season, especially when it comes to reality shows. You always prefer the original cast. I cannot focus at all. I cannot pay attention to the storyline. And also I just high-key, not low-key, high-key feel like the show is scripted because of how people actually change their minds so easily. Like a couple would be in love the whole show, but then when they get to the altar they say, no, I don't want to get married to you. And I'm just wondering if it's like intentionally done by the show to like keep us, you know, excited and curious, only to disappoint us at the end. Maybe they just want drama, or maybe these characters, they just want to be on television. They're just doing the show, but then from the beginning they do know that they are going to say no. I don't know, but yes, it's such an interesting show for me. I wouldn't say it's the best like dating or reality show about love, but it has a lot of twists that make it look like it's scripted. Right now I already had breakfast. I have the same thing every day. I have muesli with chia seeds, almond milk or oat milk. It's the same thing every day. And then for lunch maybe I'm going to have some sausages with avocado toast, or maybe I'm going to have some wraps. I have these wraps, yeah. brown wraps, tortilla wraps. I need to try these. It's actually very big, so I think they will fill me up. And then, yeah, try to have them maybe put some mayonnaise. I have some dairy-free mayonnaise because, as you guys know, may not know, I am currently dairy-free. I've been dairy-free for the last, I think it's been a year now, and I'm comfortable with that. Dairy really messes up my skin and my body and makes me bloated and messes up my gut health, so I'm just content with not eating dairy at all right now. But like I said, I had a difficult time prioritizing my normal eating habits and my normal routine, that I ended up, last week I ended up eating cake, which is dairy, and my body really made me pay for it. So it's just so difficult, and also like it's been hard to like keep track of what I'm eating. So I'm in a position where I've like lost a lot of weight, so I have to like prioritize like overloading on protein and all of that. Yes, spend the day with me. I'm not going to do much today at all. I'm just going to just relax and take it easy and try to get back to my normal routine.
You are not the one, you're not even my crush. You think you my style, but you barely made the cut. You say you don't need me, but I'm calling you bluff. Cause you keep begging for it, no, you can't get enough. See, that's your issue, too much pride. Lucky I even replied. Said that I couldn't do better, but we both know that you lied. I write niggas twice your size, they know how to treat me right. You know that I'm your leader, so fall back in line. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. When you play these games, you get replaced. Baby, you should know you're never safe. I may have seen some red flags, but I let you hit my line, you probably prayed for that. Gave you a couple nights, you never take that. Didn't mean to gas you up, you switched up so fast. If you think you can do better, go ahead. I won't miss you.